hopefully we have some space. Cameraman, we have some space.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, so that's good. That should finish this build up. So I want to get the hard drive and the SSD installed. There is a bracket, so that makes things easy. Solid state drive. I guess this is some kind of... Oh, okay, I see what it is. It's like, stick it someplace. What is this? Oh, hey, SATA cable, okay. Okay, so right here is our SSD mount and our SSD. So we can slide this in. Slide this in. And we take our screws over here. I think it's the smaller ones. Like I said, multi-tools are the best. I don't care what anyone says. Maybe I should have practiced on that. There's a game on Steam currently, guys, called Custom PC Simulator or something, where you simulate building a computer.
Somehow I don't think that's the same thing.
I know.
It'd be better if it was VR. VR.
Maybe if it, yeah, I could see maybe VR, but maybe I should have practiced on that a little bit, guys. I don't know. Maybe it could at least tell you what the steps are.
You should watch.
You gotta do this, and then reality hits, and you can't.
You know what's
do
the
any of
good
it.
Can't do any
thing
of
to
it
watch
yet.
in VR? Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's
No,
get
thank
the
you.
snot out of you.
No,
No,
Five
I
Nights
was
at
just-
Freddy's.
I love that game. That game's fun.
Nah, not really.
That's because you don't know it.
Guys, we gotta stay on track here.
Yep.
No,
I'm the one working. He's the one blabbing.
Oof.
And
No,
he
I
wonders-
gotta
and He
educate.
wonders.
I gotta educate your fans.
No.
Well,
I
wait.
don't have any fans, dude.
Okay, I gotta educate your subscribers.
Just be quiet.
Why?
Oof.
Okay, enough of that, guys. Seriously.
If you guys don't know what that is, that's the oof sound.
What did I just say? Enough of that, okay?
What?
Okay. Yeah, my little brother doesn't understand why I don't put him in videos very often. Actually, this is the first one.
Yeah, no.
But he can't be serious enough to be a continued guest.
I could be a YouTuber.
No. I don't
That's
think
a bad. I have 5 subscribers.
Hey, I'm not even a YouTuber. I'm just a guy that makes videos every once in a while. Wow!
You
So,
broke it!
okay, so these bars apparently fly off. So I
Yeah,
was,
evidently. Almost hit me in the head with that.
It's a fine one.
okay, let me put those back on. I was expecting these to be like the Dell version, which are actually attached to the bracket, or the Corsair version, which are actually attached to the bracket. So apparently they're not.
It's all
So
a
we're
lie.
just gonna put.
Hey,
Okay, so that's in there the wrong way. Okay. Now I can't get it off.
Don't you shoot that at me again.
Oh, I don't want to shoot it at you because you're my cameraman and I'd be stuck if I lost my
no, she'll
cameraman.
kill you first. Then you chop your feet off because she's Sarah.
Man, y'all,
And she's
y'all,
a demon.
y'all make me sound so violent.
Only a little.
No, no, you're so funny.
Walker,
Yeah?
calm it
My
down.
name. Why do you have a knife?
Because it's my multi-tool.
Not you, her.
Can't take the hint. Okay, there we go. Now we got it in the right way and facing the right way. So we're gonna take our SATA cables, and I'm gonna. The motherboard came with one, I believe. I think that's where this came from. And I'm gonna plug it in just to see if it will reach. I don't know if it's really worth using this one though. Okay, so we gotta find the right SATA port. So that's 3, and that means this one right up here should be 1. So yeah, let me say I bought the Nice, okay. See if I can actually adjust this because it actually is too... I thought I bought one that was straight. Apparently I bought two that's a straight SATA and a L-shaped SATA. So let me work on this. Pause it. Alright, so got it back in there the way I want it now, and let's make sure this is facing the right way. And it is. And there we go. It's in. And so we're going to wrap this up here. Make sure the SATA cable is facing the right way, and there. So we got solid state drive installed. Now, next, hard drive. So, trusty multi-tool, open up the box, I swear. You guys have got to get multi-tools. Okay, what anyone says, the most useful thing on the planet. I've had that one since I was 5 years old. No joke. My dad came home, he worked for a oil company, and they had given that to him, and gave it to me for my birthday. Okay. We got our hard drive. Nothing like brand new components. Okay. There. Special way to unseal it, or is, okay, looks like we just cut it open.
Just knife it.
Yep, just knife it.
Just knife it.
Alright, so brand new hard drive. Now, hard drive, it's got these, I believe it goes down here, but we got some of these right here. I believe they just plug in to the side of the hard drive. Install it down below. Is that how this works? I don't think so. Okay. Oh, I see. I see now. Okay, so on these brackets, you can actually change the positions of these little silver spigots there. Not really spigots, I don't know. Not really screws either. Okay.
Buttons.
Could be. Is it a button?
I don't know.
So I'm going to move second one up a little bit. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now that should fit in there. As long as the bracket stays on, that is. I don't know how I feel about these things. There we go. That stays in there nice and tight. Okay, let's get another SATA cable. Now, I actually got an extra cable. I got one right there too. I actually got an extra cable because of I was going to put a DVD drive in this, but then I decided against it because I felt like it was kind of just, might be a waste of space. Some people like them, other people don't. It's just kind of either way. You can, if you need to download drivers off of the CD, oftentimes you can actually get the same drivers off of a website or whatever, and just, you know, not as big of a deal as it used to be. So this one actually faces up. Okay, so we got both of those installed now, and I'll get these tied away a little bit later. But for now, that's going to just have to be where it is. Now, next, we got, I believe that's everything except for the GPU. So, first off, we got to take our multi-tool, put away the knife, and bring out the screwdriver. And we got to see, let's see just where, okay, it's going to take 2 slots. It sits right there. So it looks like the second and third slot. Trick. This is why multi-tools are the king of the world. If you can't get in there real good, you can actually shrink it down a little bit, at least with this one. It's this third one and the second one. Okay, so there's those 2 brackets. I'm going to pull off this other screw here. There we go. And so now that we got those out, just pop the graphics card in. Alright, looks like it's in. Is it locked? It's locked in. Okay, now screw these back in and we should be good to go to finish up cords and all that. So thanks. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so there we go. Now, I believe that is everything. I need to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, because I'm the kind of guy that will forget. So, that looks like everything, guys. It actually does. Okay. The only thing we have that is a speaker for the motherboard. So that goes somewhere. Okay, so if you look, I kind of missed this, but right there it says speak. So that's where this little guy goes. Just don't know. Let's just say what the freaking direction is. So, alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. We got pretty much everything set up. I'm going to do some tidying up. I'm going to make sure that these right here are plugged in the right way. I don't want to screw anything up because I didn't know. I'm also going to make sure I got all the fans plugged in. There's the front fan uses a Molex and a 4-pin. So I'll probably have to use a Molex because I don't see any more fan spots on this motherboard. So other than that, looks like we've got everything else plugged in. And like I said, I'm going to do some cable management. I'm going to do some last minute touch-ups. And that's going to do it for this guy. So hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to stick around for the next episode. We're going to possibly be using a new computer. Possibly. If not, then we're pretty much going to be troubleshooting. And I might actually take it over to a friend's house and see if he can figure it out if something goes wrong. So hopefully nothing goes wrong. Hopefully got everything. And I pray that we do. But sometimes we don't. But so let's get this stuff finished up next episode. And I'll see you guys later.